Alright, so as I'm going back through all this stuff, I'm gonna do a B-roll, and my reason for doing a B-roll is I've always watched these, different YouTubers and stuff, people that do these car videos, and always wondered how they do it, what their raw footage looks like to get their final product. Plus, just like little bloopers to me, it's always funny to see, how something comes to light. I've left every clip in this completely unedited. There is no color correction, there's no audio correction, there's no filters, no transitions, nothing. Straight clip to clip, behind the scenes, sort of some raw footage just to kind of get an idea of how we direct, how we're directing the shots and whatnot while we're rolling. Yeah, hopefully this helps you in some way. Hopefully it helps you, figure out how to communicate better while you're filming, how to handle different shots. There's just endless possibilities. Hopefully this helps you in some way.
Just starting it up?
Yeah.
I need to go get gas. Like just go get like a can or something.
We could do that. So number one step whenever you go out to film, rollers and whatnot, is always make sure you've got gas. So we'll try and maintain that distance as best we can.
What gear are you looking for? Like 15, like the solar?
Let's go ahead and do like 20 or 30 if we can. I start off with like 15 and gradually go up. But if traffic starts to get too bad, just pull over into somebody's driveway or something where there's room just to pull through. Alright, if you want to come up. Are we in the clear? Alright, right there. Just cruise right there, right there. Slow down a little bit. Alright, right there. Just keep cruising. Slow down just a hair more. Alright, right there. Keep rolling right there. Let's try this. Stay in the same lane, but come up. Let's try and keep the same speed as best we can. I'm going to try and get them like really close. Keep coming, keep coming. Alright, right there. Just maintain that as best we can. Looks like a little bit of everything at once because my battery just... So we just finished shooting up the first part of the video with my buddy Alec. And yeah, now we're closing down. I think we're about to go get some Mexican food. That's the best part of any shoot, is the snacks afterwards. But yeah, so far so good. As with every car shoot you ever do, there's going to be some hiccups, but we adapt and overcame. And as you can tell, we got some really good footage. Stay tuned for the final product. There's going to be about, I think, at least 2 more cars in it, if not more. So yeah, stay tuned for the final product. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff. Yeah, stay tuned.
Sweet.
Alright, so that's the ending of, I guess, the first part. But I'm going now to go start getting props together for like the final scenes. I got 1 more car to shoot, maybe 2 more, depends on how everything goes. But we're going to go tonight to get props for this. Hopefully like Party City or somebody has like some of like graveyard themed stuff. Yeah, so that's where we're about to head right now. So we found exactly what we're looking for this shoot, and there's a lot of them, which is really going to help us out. Alright, so I think I'm going to do probably the most vain thing I can think of and use my own car in one of my own videos. So that's what we were doing last night. Come on, dog. Come on. Let the moon shine out. But, so yeah, I'm cleaning up my own car to put in my own video, which is going to be really weird because I'm going to have my friends help me come film it, and it's going to be really interesting. But, yesterday we got everything done to it that I needed to. Today I just got to finish cleaning it up, and then we're ready to shoot tonight. Nicely. I didn't detail by any means. I literally just pressure washed it, and we called it a day. But it's not too bad. Still got some nice shine to it. You can still see all the lines. do it one more time.
Put your seatbelt on. Don't be ruining my ride. You can do that when you're in a truck.
You can't slam on your brakes though. Don't go fast, babe.